How to delete favorites on Waze app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can remove favorites on the Waze application. For this, you want to open the Waze app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install it. Now, you want to tap on Where to and you have the option of Saved. Once you tap on this, all of your favorite locations will open up in this way. Now, if you want to remove the favorites, all you have to do is tap on the three dots next to your favorite location. Then you want to tap on the remove option. Once you tap on the remove option, your favorite will be deleted. Once you tap on the remove option, that location will be deleted. Now you can do the same thing for the rest of your saved or favorite locations as well. And in this way, you can very easily delete your favorites on the Waze app. If you want to add a favorite on your Waze app, you can simply tap on the add a place option and then simply search that place over here. Once you have found that place, tap on the save option, then tap on done and the favorite location will be added. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.